If your boyfriend was 52, what would your mom say first?
Of course, I'm gonna like shock, and then I feel something.
Definitely yes. Maybe because of their looks, I guess.
For me, it's good to treat my daughter as a
I am 51 and my husband is just only 38 years old.
How about him? Would you ever date him? Him? How about him? What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Hannah May po and I'm 23 years old.
Hannah May, if your boyfriend was 52, what would your mom say first?
Mm, don't be attached. Don't be so attached po.
But he's your boyfriend.
mm, but
Don't be attached to your boyfriend.
don't be so to avoid yourself, not to hurt yourself.
Would you ever date someone who is 52 years old?
I think no po.
How about would you date him?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. The first picture, yes. How about this? But how about him?
Definitely yes. Yes po.
Okay. Do you know that these three gentlemen are very well-known actors, and guess what? They are all 52 years old.
Okay po.
Okay. But she said yes to all of them. Okay. So definitely you would date a 52-year-old guy.
Definitely yes. Maybe because of their looks, I guess.
So if they look younger, you would.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think love can ignore a 30 plus year age gap?
Yes, I think.
If your future self could warn you about dating a 55-year-old, what do you think she would say?
Maybe you need to level on their
Maturity? What?
yeah, you need to level on their maturity po. Yun.
Are you single, by the way?
Yeah.
How long have you been single?
It's 2 years po. Years. Yeah.
Okay. You're been single. You still studying?
No, working.
Working. May we know what is your job if it's okay?
Currently server po. Server. I'm a server in a Japanese restaurant.
What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Sophia po, 21.
Sophia, if your boyfriend was 52, what would your mom say first?
I think should be surprised because that age is like too old for me.
Would you ever date someone who is 52 years old?
No po.
How about him? Would you ever date him?
No.
Him?
No.
How about him?
No.
No? Okay. Anyway, they are very famous actors and all of them are 52 years old. Okay. Do you think love can ignore a 30 plus year age gap?
In my perspective po, I think some people might do it, but like for me, I think I would not do it.
I want to understand why.
I think on my age po, I'm just 21 and he's 52. I mean like our age doesn't fit. Like I'm a Gen Z and he's like older than me. So like I think the vibe will be off and like we wouldn't understand each other.
What's your opinion about Filipinas your age dating someone who is, I would say, 52 years old?
Um as a 21 years old po, I think I don't really say a lot about them because they're just living their lives. So I wouldn't say anything about it.
So if you see a couple here, a 21-year-old Filipino with a 52-year-old foreigner, what's your thought? Like, what's comes to your mind first?
Um, I'm not a judgmental person, so like if I would be able to see them like walking around, I would just ignore them and like because they're just living their lives.
Are you from here, from Naga?
Actually no, I'm just dorming like an apartment. I'm from Pasakaw.
Pasaga, okay. I asked it because we would love to interview your mother. We would like to ask something about this topic. But anyway, you're still studying, right? Okay, what are you studying?
I'm a nursing student.
Single or do you have a boyfriend?
I have someone.
Okay, you have someone. Boyfriend.
Not yet.
Not yet, so still single, technically.
Yeah.
How long have you been single?
Um, 4 or 5 months, I guess.
What's your name and how old are you po?
Luzviminda. I'm 68 years old.
Ma'am Luzviminda, if your daughter came home and said her boyfriend is 52, what's your reaction? Paano po ma'am kung ang aki mo ma'am nag-uli tapos sinabihan ka ma'am na ang illusion niya is 52 years old, ano po ang inot mong reaction?
For me, it's okay because he is already old and he knows everybody. He knows good decision and I like old my boyfriend and my daughter.
So, Ma'am Luzviminda basically said that she likes her daughter's boyfriends to be older than her. Old, okay. What matters more? His age or how he treats her? Ano po mamang mas importante? Yung edad niya or kung paano niya tratuhon suaki mo?
It's for me it's good to treat my daughter as good. Also, his character, the value of his and take care of my daughter, love him, love hers. Like okay.
Okay. So, for you, ma'am, it's okay if she's in a relationship with someone who is 52 years old. How about your husband, ma'am? What do you think your husband gonna be his reaction?
It depends already. I will talk to my husband. And I explain to him that he's a good character, he's kind, and love.
Okay. So you will talk to him first and explain, okay, what kind of person he is. Okay. So, but how about you, ma'am? Do you think he would be like accept him or he would be happy for your daughter?
I will talk my husband very well. And talk also to my daughter.
Okay.
Dahil siya ang nakakaalam kay silang dalawa palagi ang magkasama.
So mom says that she's gonna talk to her daughter because she's the one who knows him well because they're the one who's always together. So okay, so she's gonna talk to her husband. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, if he asks for your blessing, what question would you ask him first? Paano ma'am kung yung boyfriend kang aki mo nag-ask ng blessing sa imo, ano po yung inot na hapot na ihapot mo sa iya?
Kung siya ano niya, kung Katoliko siya or Christian.
Okay.
First of all, iyan ang itatanong ko sa kanya. Kasi mas maganda yung Christian.
Okay. So mom is gonna ask him first if he is a Christian or Catholic. Okay, because it's good if he is a Christian.
Christian. Born again Christian.
Okay. So that's her first question to him. Okay, if he's gonna ask her blessing. Okay. Do you think a big age gap can actually work long term? Kapag may dakulaan ba ma'am na age gap, yung magkarelasyon, ano ba siya, mag-work po ma'am siya for long term?
Yes. It will magkaano sila kasi he will work talaga kasi mas mapasensya, mayroong pasensya ang edad na matanda na sa kanya.
Okay. Mom says yes, it will work because if you have big age gap, he has more patience. So definitely it would work. Okay, last question po, ma'am. Would you worry about what other people think? Mag-worry ka po, ma'am, ko ang kang mga sabihin ka mga tao.
No? Hindi.
No. Why po, ma'am? Why?
Kasi pamilya ko yan eh.
Mom says she's not gonna worry because it's her family.
Importante itong mahalan silang dalawa, may nakakaintindihan silang dalawa. I mean, may akong pakialam sa ibang tao.
She doesn't care what people think as long as they love each other and they understand each other. Ma'am Luzviminda, how many daughters you have?
2 daughters.
2 daughters.
Oh, and 2 sons.
You're from here, ma'am, from Naga?
Yes, in Francia.
I really appreciate it that mom speaks English. Thank you so much po, ma'am. Salamat po. What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Maryanne, and then I'm 51 years old.
Ma'am Maryanne, if your daughter come home and said her boyfriend is 52, what's your first reaction?
Of course, I'm gonna like shock, and then I feel something, but for me, it's up to them because I cannot give them instruction which one they like. So it's okay for me. If she is happy, why not?
How about your husband? What do you think his reaction would be?
Yeah, my husband because my husband is I am older. I am older. I am older to my husband. Yes. Yeah. I am 51 and my husband is just only 38 years old. So for me, it's okay. Age doesn't matter. Yeah.
Okay, so your husband, it's okay for him.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Okay, what matters more, his age or how he treats her?
No, it matters more is how he treats her. Her, yes. It doesn't matter the age. If they can, if they love each other and they can stay comfortable. It doesn't matter for me.
If he asks for your blessing, what question would you ask him first?
Of course, baby. If they have, yeah. Actually, I have already 4 grandchildren. Yes, and then for me, it doesn't matter what is how much the age gap. It doesn't matter for me.
Okay, so you're gonna ask him to about baby, like how many babies do you plan to have, like those?
As long as long as they can. I don't know how much they want. It's okay for me. Unless that they can let them grow up and then grow up good and then they can provide it. Yes.
So mom is gonna ask about babies first. Okay, do you think a big age gap can actually work long term?
Yes, I think so. Yeah, because especially if the guy high older than her, so he can understand to her so good, and they can he's like comfortable each other. Thanks. I don't know, but this is for my opinion only.
Okay. Would you worry about what other people think?
No, I don't think. No. I'm not worried. I don't care about people. Yeah, unless my daughter happy for that, I don't care about the people say. I don't like. I don't care about it.
Okay. So you mentioned, mom, earlier that you're married to a 38-year-old man, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Is he a Filipino or foreigner?
He's Egyptian.
Egyptian.
Yes.
Okay. How long have you been married, ma'am?
6 years. Yes, yeah.
Beautiful. And mom is 51.
Already 51. Yes.
51 years old. Beautiful. Well, anyway, mom, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time and your honesty. No, don't worry. You did good, mom. Salamat po, mom. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.